Hi, my name is Greta.
Hi, my name is Ava. This is Rain in the Cup.
Today's STEM Quick Win is brought to you in partnership with Citizens Energy Group. To learn more about the content in today's STEM Quick Win, check out the activity sheet linked down below.
Fill one container 3/4 full of water. Step 2. Add shaving cream to the top. Fill the other container 1/4 full of water and color with the blue food coloring or liquid watercolor. Slowly add drops of the colored water to the shaving cream or water container using the pipette, dropper, or spoon. Watch as the shaving cream becomes saturated and the colored water begins to seep through and fall to the bottom like rain.
Thanks for watching.